In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok ads. This tutorial is perfect for marketers, content creators, or anyone looking to promote their brand on TikTok. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be well equipped to get your ads up and running on one of the most popular social platforms today. First things first, you'll need to navigate to TikTok ads. It's easy to start, just open your browser and type in the TikTok ads URL or simply search for TikTok ads in your search engine. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. Now you're going to log into your account, enter your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. You'll find the process straightforward. After clicking on login, you might be prompted to verify yourself via CAPTCHA. This is just a security measure to ensure that you are not a bot. Complete the required verification, then click confirm to proceed. Sometimes TikTok requires an additional layer of security. If prompted, check your email for a code sent by TikTok. This code is to verify your identity. Enter this code back in the space provided on the TikTok ads page. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the campaigns tab. Look for it, typically found at the top of the page or in the menu, and click on it. This section is where all your ad campaigns will be organized. Inside the campaigns tab, you'll spot a button labeled create. Click on it to start configuring your new ad campaign. This is the first step in telling your brand's story on TikTok. Selecting your advertising objective is next. Click on the relevant section and choose the objective that best fits your goals. Whether it's driving traffic to your website, conversions, app installs, or something else, TikTok has a wide range of objectives to suit your needs. Now it's time to set your budget for the ad. You can choose between a daily or total budget, ensuring you have control over how much you want to spend on this particular campaign. Remember, it's important to align your budget with your ad objectives and the scale of your campaign. After setting your budget, click on Continue. This will take you to the next phase of your setup, the ad group section. Here, type in your ad group name. The name should reflect the nature of the ad group for easy identification. Target audience setup is key to ensuring your ad reaches the right people. In the Audience Targeting section, begin setting up your target audience. Define who you want to see your ad by choosing characteristics like location, age, gender, and other criteria. This specificity helps in directing your ad to users most likely to be interested in what you're offering. Speaking of refining your audience, TikTok allows you to further narrow down by choosing specific demographics and interests. Take your time here to ensure your ad reaches your intended audience as effectively as possible. Once you're satisfied with your audience targeting, proceed by clicking Continue. You're getting closer to launching your ad. Next, you'll set up your ad's identity under Identity. Choose the TikTok account you want the ad to post under. This will be the face of your ad, so make sure you select the correct account that represents your brand or product well. Adding your ad creative is an exciting step. This involves uploading the ad video or photo that you want to accompany your campaign. Make it catchy. Visuals are a powerful tool on TikTok to grab attention. Compose your ad's textual content, including the title and description. Craft compelling text that complements your video or photo, making sure it resonates with your target audience and clearly communicates your message. Almost there, now click on Publish All. This will send your ad into review before going live. TikTok will check to ensure it meets all their advertising guidelines. If you encounter any errors during the publishing process, don't worry. The system will alert you to any issues that need fixing. Address these as required to move forward. Lastly, you'll need to set up a payment method. This step is essential to push your ad live. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your billing information, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your TikTok ad. It might seem like a lot at first glance, but each step is designed to fine-tune your ad for optimal performance. With a bit of practice, you'll find this process becomes second nature. Happy advertising on TikTok.